Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. This morning I thought I would give you a little cleaning motivation before I head off to work. It's about 7 a.m. and I don't have to be at work till 9, so I always have a little bit of time to make my bed, maybe clear out any dishes that are in the sink, straighten up the living room, that kind of thing. Just so when I come home that my house won't be, a stressor for me after a long day of work. I like to come in, have a fresh start when I get in the evening. There's just something about making up a bed. It just kind of makes you feel complete as you walk out the door in the morning. As I clean in the morning, I like to what I call bless my home. Normally, whenever I'm making up my husband's side of the bed, I like to pray for him, and I just pray simple prayer over him. I pray thankfulness for having him, thanking God that he's in my life. I pray that he has a good day at work, and that he is productive at his job, and that God give him energy at his job for the day. I also pray over our marriage every morning, that it will remain strong and be protected. I pray for love in our room and in our home, and that when we have people in our home, that they can feel our love and the strength that we have through God. I challenge you to do this in your home and in your bedroom in the morning before work, and see if it makes a difference in your daily life. Okay, now we gotta hit it because I have to get to work. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.